Hello everyone, Bilyesa Srujimibis. For today's video, I will discuss about Pythagorean identities. So, Pythagorean identities going clockwise or counterclockwise around the three inside triangles starting at the top and using addition. Going clockwise or counterclockwise around the three inside triangles starting at the bottom and using subtraction. The Pythagorean trigonometric identity, also called simply the Pythagorean identity, is an identity expressing the Pythagorean theorem in terms of trigonometric functions. Along with the sum of angles formula, it is one of the basic relations between the sine and cosine function. So we have here some examples. Example number 1. Prove that cosecant squared theta minus cotangent squared theta over cosine theta is equal to secant theta. So 1 over cosine theta equals secant theta. Use Pythagorean identity number 7 to get 1 over cosine theta. So secant theta equals secant theta. So nag-equal na siya. So you use reciprocal identity number 2 to get secant theta. Example number 2. Prove that sine quadruple plus cosine squared beta sine squared beta is equal to sine squared beta. Sine squared beta of quantity of sine squared beta plus cosine squared beta is equal to sine squared beta. So factor sine quadruple plus cosine squared beta sine squared beta. So ang bili na lang is sine squared beta times 1. So equals sine squared beta. Use Pythagorean identity number 6 to get 1. Sine squared beta equals sine squared beta. So kuan na siya is nag-equal na siya. So you use multiplicative inverse to get sine squared beta. Example number 3. Prove that 1 minus sine squared empty set over cosecant squared empty set minus 1 equals sine squared empty set. Cosine squared empty set over cotangent squared empty set equals sine squared empty set. So you use Pythagorean identity number 6 to get cosine squared empty set, and you use Pythagorean identity number 7 to get cotangent squared empty set. So cosine squared empty set over cosine squared empty set over sine squared empty set equals sine squared empty set. So you use quotient identity number 5 to get cosine squared empty set over sine squared empty set. So cosine squared empty set times sine squared empty set over cosine squared empty set equals sine squared empty set. So you use multiplicative inverse and cancel out cosine squared empty set. So ang nabili na lang is sine squared empty set and sine squared empty set. So nag-equal na siya. So sorry guys, namali na siya og type ang kaning theta imbis na empty set na theta na noon siya. So namali na siya type. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.